Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the phone is charged and unlocked, because abrupt shutdowns break settings changes. Open Settings, then Accessibility, tap Talkback. Once there, you'll see the toggle. Turn it off, wait 2-3 seconds, then turn it on to reset the service. If Talkback is unresponsive, use the volume key shortcut. Hold both keys for ~3 seconds to regain control. This resets the listener without a reboot and often clears temporary input conflicts, which is why we do it first. Once Talkback toggles don't fix it, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Show System Apps, right arrow Talkback. You should force stop the app to kill any stalled process, then clear cache to remove corrupted temporary files. Avoid clearing data unless necessary. After that, reopen Accessibility and re-enable Talkback. Make sure the app has permission to run in background and isn't restricted by battery optimization. Otherwise, Android may kill it. These steps address app-level faults that toggling alone can't repair. Finish by rebooting the device to apply changes and clear lingering processes. This often resolves deeper conflicts. Next, check for system updates and update any accessibility components. New patches fix bugs. If Talkback still fails, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app interference, and only then consider factory reset after backing up data. One troubleshooting tip: if touch input is ignored, use a USB or Bluetooth keyboard to navigate and disable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.